YouTube? Epic Dragon 023 here. I have a trade binder here, so yeah, let's open it. Oh, and also I will be opening a Summon Skeleton from 2002, so please watch that. It's gonna be awesome. It's all old school. So yeah, let's do this. These two are rare, and this is super. This is wait, let me just. Okay, super, common, and super. This is, yeah, okay, the upside down stuff are either traded or not for trade. So yeah, this one is already traded. So yeah, super and common. So yeah, this is not for trade because it's already traded to someone. Super, secret, and common. If you hear any noise in the background, just ignore them. These three are super first edition, and this is from the Generation Force. Ultra. Oh, and this is a Blackwing Shore with a blue flame, but it's like an X-Saber guy on it. So yeah, it's still the same. Everything's the same except the picture. It's playable because I didn't mess around with the letters or the numbers. So yeah, Black Pandit, common. Here we have Ultra, Secret, and Common. These three are supers. These are ultras. So yeah, these are not for trade again. And yeah. Oh no. Well, these I'm not sure, but you can go ahead and offer for them. These three are super, ultimate, and common. This is secret, and this is just for sale probably, but I can still trade it. Yeah. Oh yeah. So these three are secrets. This is from the Dark Legends. This is my favorite page of this binder. I love it. And I'm not sure if these three and Karibo are going to be for trade, but you can still go offer for them. This one is from the tin, I think. Wait, let me just see. This is what it says here. Wait, let me just. It says BPT. I'm not really sure what that is, but yeah. Oh, this is going out of focus right now. Okay, there we go. So yeah, Ultra, Ultimate, and Super. Ultra, Super, and Super. I just pulled Kiryu from one pack, as you guys saw. These three are Spanish. This is another Stardust. It is for trade, of course. These two are common. This is Super, Secret, Super. These two are Super. I think these two are already traded. I'm not sure to who, but yeah, if you're that guy, just PM me because I forgot your name. These three, this whole page are all of these are rare. These are old school rares, really nice. 2000 defense, 1900 attack. 2 Vampire Lords and an Elephant from the Duels pack. Duels pack Kaiba. Yeah, Duels pack Kaiba as well. Here we have some Amazonas stuff. Amazonas Paladin and Archer. I have, yeah, 2 of these. Common, rare, and common. Rare, common, and rare. So yeah, that's it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And also, yeah, please check out my Summon Skull. It's gonna be like, I think, next week or the week after, such as my Metal Beaters box. Yeah, I'm really excited to open those old school stuff. Yeah, be sure to remember to subscribe, and yeah, I will be doing more videos, of course. And yeah, okay.